morning. We are in Cascade Heights trail off the city of Atlanta and the airport, the Atlanta International Airport. We're not taking the airport, of course, we're just driving down here. So from the airport when I leave it's an hour 30 minutes, so just take a chance to, drive all the way up here to spend the Sunday. You don't expect a place like this close to the airport, but yes, this is a fact, it exists. Here we are, I'm gonna take you along. Alright, that's like an old warehouse or mill, something in between, I don't know. Let's take a look. And turning around here, that's gonna be weird. I was gonna edit this one, probably gonna edit halfway in the entrance when we started. Yeah, look like a furnace. Yeah, interesting. I think it must be over 100 years old. Cowards. Probably during the even antebellum era furnace. It's very old. All those valves and how it looks like. Let's see. Okay, I see some modern-made electricity, so probably early 20th century. There's a lot of electric. Yeah, see that? Yeah, have that. You're not touching any of that because probably a black wheel will pop up over there. Yeah, very nice. I wonder what it is. I don't see any signs. Okay, we're back in the parking lot. And that's the furnace over there. Alright, let's continue. Under a pigeon sky. So it's a gathering spot for observation, interpretation spot. Let's see. Yeah, I think you see woodpeckers here. So something about this trail is that, according to all trails, it's very easy to get lost. So you have to use the old trails at all times here. Looks like a fairy house, some sort of old design, what do you call it, but that looks very interesting. So yeah, very busy today. It's already almost lunchtime, so people are out and about. Very easy trail here as well. I think it's very short, relatively short for my trails. It's 1.5 mile long. Yeah, it's very busy today. As I mentioned, this trail is, according to all trails, it's very easy to get lost. So again, keep your old trails app, download it, and use it at all times, because you may get lost very easy. It's short, but it's probably have a lot of random spots that people can take for granted that they are actually trails. Again, lots of spots to sit down. You need to take a break. A really nice weather today. It's probably 70s, low 70s. Feels really nice. I put on some bug repellent just in case. It's not cool enough for get all the mosquitoes to go to sleep. So yeah. Otherwise, very nice day, and actually I'm happy I'm out and about today. And there's something really interesting in this trail, and I'm gonna show you once we reach at that point. There's some water. See all that water? Yeah, it has to do with that water, what I mentioned before. Hopefully we can get a look at that when it comes. We don't get to see it now. I will let you know exactly what it is. It's a beautiful spot, as I mentioned before. It's in the middle of a small suburban area, so watch and observe driving transit conditions. All right, then we're getting close. It's a spring house. So I guess this has been here way before, probably before 1800s at minimum, or during the 1800s. So that's it, what I'm talking about, this little waterfall here. It's more like a spring more than a waterfall. That looks beautiful. There you go. It's a very busy spot again today, so we're just gonna stop, take some pictures, and then we continue. It's a little bit sketchy here, but otherwise it is manageable. You're taking your time, a little bit of patience. There you go. Beautiful. Let's keep going. Okay, Cascade Springs Nature Preserve. That's the name of this park. And it's also 1.8 miles long. It's free. It's probably 15-20 minutes from the Atlanta airport. So that's all the details you have to take care of. They pay attention to. It's in the middle of an urbanized area, so if by any chance you slip away from the trail, you're in a very urban area. And that being said, you also need to be careful, because it's an urban area, means there is always a chance there'll be unsavory folks roaming around. So you make sure that you have your car well secured, and also have your take care of business. There will be alert around you, but outside of that, just stay here around the day and you will be fine. So take care of that. All right, let's continue. Okay, this is very. You need to use walking sticks in this specific spot here. It's up in the woods this time. Alright, so keep going. Just keep climbing and we'll be good. Nah. Do not deviate, of course. Yeah, I don't see any. Maybe. No. Oh, that's not it. I thought there were sports and ivy. Kind of watchful now. This is a nature preserve, that means also that comes everything that comes with it. No. I'm looking for those forms of poison ivy. Again, keep an eye out. Just look like me, just wear full pants and clothes and shirt. Long sleeve shirt preferably. I think this is the spot that people were mentioning that it looks like it's pretty around where to go. So I'm gonna look at my app again, see where I am at. So nice looking rock formation here. There's some more rock formations. Interesting. So how many? This exposed rock in the middle of the forest. On the side of a hill. It's very nice today again. It's almost 11:30. I've been walking for a while. There's a lot of examples of these little trails, forks. We need to just keep going to get back to the entrance. You notice there's a lot of vines. I had no idea. I thought it was like poison ivy, but it looked like it's some sort of vine. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's kudzu. Never see a kudzu leaf before, so I'm not sure. I see some bamboo growing here. It's gonna soak a lot of water when it grows. We're going down again at the creek level. It's like a slowly eroding this hill into this level. So we are almost we completed 1.5 miles. We're close to that. There's another trail. I think it goes straight down there. It also goes down over there. So I don't know. Maybe, yeah, we're gonna go down here. Again, this is why it is kind of confusing. It's not properly rotulated. There's no proper signage in intersections like that. One of the main criticisms of this park. Otherwise, it's very quaint, very nice, very quiet, except for the sound of planes flying around overhead. Other than that, it's really nice. Especially on a day like this, it's very nice and cool. Yeah, some folks got lost and trying to see if I can be their guidance. They're wearing yellow long sleeve shirt today. Very nice today indeed. Anyway, let's keep going. So the river that we just crossed, that's a South Utoi Creek, and there's another small trail made by somebody. There's a signage down there. I don't know what it says. I cannot hear from here, so I'm gonna stay all this time pointing at it. Yeah, I cannot see it anymore. But apparently there was some road down this trail. You connect to a road. So yeah, we're back into the closing this big old loop. It's a 1.8 miles loop back into the parking lot. And fall is almost here. Couldn't get any faster. I'm looking forward to nice sweater weather if that's possible. We had snow early this year in January, so we'll see what this fall and winter brings. Oh, very interesting weather patterns, but mild and compared to other years. There was not too much of a heat wave this year here when I live. We have like a couple of days, not weeks, over 100 degrees. That was it. Again, I'm looking forward to the sweater weather. I'm looking forward to hiking without mosquitoes bothering me. Yeah, looking forward to that. And taking all that into consideration, thank you so much for watching, and safe travels. Look at those ferns. I love ferns. Alright, see y'all. Take care. Okay, we're back into the entrance. Ultra says we completed 2 miles instead of 1.8, so it's up to you to decide. It's 1.8 or 2. That's a big difference. Alright.